of 27. I just went by Roger Kretschmer's daughter's house, getting ready to go. Here's the Williamson gravel, Chad Masters friend here. And so we're getting close to Oakley. So I think it was 12:36 when I was in Sheraton. I don't know. It's been pretty close to an hour since I was on this road last. I don't think that the blades have been back on it again. The west lane, I mean, you can see that. You kind of see the center of the road, and then the drift up against it. I mean, I imagine like what it's going to look like in an hour. Stuff. We're getting near Oakley here. I'm getting to where I got to almost drive in the middle of the road because it's drifting in on the shoulders so bad. Total white out here. It's kind of interesting. The closer we got to Oakley from Sheraton, the less highway was in the scene. Like from being a lot of gray, being able to see like the whole middle to basically now it's, you know, not a lot of gray. I think maybe it's snowing harder here than it was in Sheraton. I can't see as far. More whiteout conditions in Sheraton. This is just kind of fun. I like that sort of stuff. Look at this. No gray. You gotta go down to Eliza, or Greens to Eliza. There's the big city of Oakley. Oakley, Iowa. Denise's place. One of Tawny's back there. This guy up here, they've got a skid loader, 3 tractors, and a bulldozer, and they're fucking blading the driveway with a scoop shovel. That's the craziest thing I've ever seen. His last name's Morgan. I think his first name's Ron. What the hell is that guy doing? That surprises me big time. Maybe he just likes to scoop snow with a shovel for fun. Can't believe that. Skid loaders, tractors, loaders, bulldozer. Now look at how far, like, we're not seeing a lot, you know, remember how I said the closer we get to Oakley, the more white the road is? Now we're past Oakley, headed to the county line, and we're not seeing any gray anymore. It's all white. All white.
Yeah, you better slow down.
It looks like the snowfall's getting heavier. I mean, my visibility is decreasing. Oh yeah, this is deep here. Now we're in a foot of snow. Those pickup trucks, I thought come from this way. And I followed into town, but this doesn't look like it's been touched for quite a while. It was definitely a lot more clear from Oakley to Sheraton. This is all of a sudden. Yeah, this is kind of deep actually. I gotta slow her down.
Yeah, you better slow down.
I can't tell anymore where the middle of the road is.
You should be able to see it because the traffic's going back up.
What do you think, Brent? Is this fun? Wouldn't it be cool if we actually went in the ditch and we had to wait like 2 hours for somebody to come pick us up?
No.
I feel so bad for Craig. His truck broke down 2 days before the blizzard of 24. He loves pushing snow with that truck so much, and the damn thing broke down 2 days before the blizzard. Poor guy. But I suppose...
Dude, we're out of the snow, it looks like, almost.
I suppose it's a good thing that it broke down before the blizzard instead of in the middle of the blizzard in someone's driveway or something. Or in the middle of the highway.
You would probably honestly be out here right now following this road.
Missy's Road. Somebody's bladed it. Looks like the county bladed it with a pickup truck.
I don't believe this.
I wonder if they'd done the cemetery road. I wouldn't have. Nope, they didn't do it. That's good. It's not unnecessary today.
Told me there's a car coming. I thought I just saw a headlight.
Could be. It is deep snow here. Road. I'm just having to drive kind of in the middle now and kind of guess where I'm at. I suppose if a car does come, I can slow down and get over and stuff. I just can't believe the difference in the road from Oakley to here, because I know those trucks come from here. I wish I had doors on my Can-Am so we could drive through all this stuff. And a glass window with a windshield wiper on it. Next winter I will. This is going to be so fun next year. But probably next year we won't have any snow like this.
I thought all of Oakland lost.
Yeah. This snow here is deep.
You thought.
I mean, there's a foot of snow on the highway here I'm driving in right now, for sure. No doubt about it.
There's a working window.
Yep, windmill's going. Blade's moving today. Well, there's Granny's house. Looks like their neighbor up there wasn't able to drive up to the driveway. They had to park at the bottom of the driveway. Looks like a damn Toyota 4Runner, maybe? I don't know. Oh, whoa. I can't even see where Granny's driveway is. It ain't even bladed. The snow's deep.
You should know it.
Somebody bladed it. I see some piles. Maybe Craig had his little John Deere tractor and come out and done some clearing. I don't know. Someone needs to get out. Look at their garage door. Granny ain't able to get out. Good thing Craig parked his truck outdoors. This is fun, Brent. Brent, ain't this fun?